Today, we'd like to introduce the GCS03 Super Energy Cold Welding Machine for thin plate. This is a machine with precision cold welding, continuous welding, and argon arc welding, 3 functions as one. The current can be regulated between 10 ampere and 200 ampere in all 3 modes. Spot welding mode is more suitable for precision cold welding and repairing. It has the advantages of no deformation, no discoloration, and a bright welding spot. Continuous welding can be combined with frog clamp to realize automatic welding. For welding, traditional argon arc welding is used for rapid welding. Different modes and methods are suitable for different welding conditions. GCS03 Super Energy Cold Welding Machine for thin plate can meet your requirements of cold welding and argon arc welding. First, let's look at the precision cold welding function of this machine. Adjust welding current and welding time according to different plates. First of all, for the 0.4 mm stainless steel plate, we set the welding current to 60 and the welding time to 8. Start the welding. Complete the welding. Let's see what happens. Wide solder joint, perfect welding effect. Then we use 1 mm stainless steel plate for welding. We set the welding current to 80 and the welding time to 10. Start the welding. Complete the welding. Let's see the appearance. Wide solder joint. The welds look like fish scales. The effect is excellent. Next, let's look at the pole welding function of this machine. We set the welding current to 120. Start the welding. Complete the welding. Welds look like uniform fish scale striation, with equal weight, very beautiful. It has been proved that GCS03 Super Energy Cold Welding Machine for thin plate is a powerful machine with simple operation. Even novices can weld to the design effect. Please believe the power of the brand. Shenzhou Electrical is your best choice.